Now parting 10 turning up at 8 Southern Service to Chichester. We're about 377 101 and we brought for Worthing. We're calling for Big Darrington on Sea. Right, we're at West Worthing Station in West Sussex. We have an hour before the next station is Darrington on Sea with about 22 minutes, you said? 22 minutes, get posted from Southsea. Yeah, as you said, Bryce, in a moment. Yeah. We sit at sunshine here. So we yeah. Next train past by says Southern Service to return London Victoria is 1 July 27. It's 1 July 27, 27. It's from Brighton. It's Brighton every night. Forgot signals to change.
Got my line.
Oh, here's for change signal. Double again. Double. Oh, double again this time. Double again.
Why it's got?
Oh, because of Chichester. 377 Chichester. Just to go in that corner down, go in that direction. 377 463 again. 377 463 again.
Hold on.
I'm just going to stop into the. It's bring into the halt. He's going to bring into the halt. He's going to bring to a halt.
I need to get the video. We'll do it.
It is bring to a halt. Now 377 463 working ECS.
So the train a bit delayed. So
It's a little bit late, and then 377 455 in the rear. Southernroad.com. And before we goes back to Brighton. It was cancelled between here and London Victoria due to your fault on the train earlier.
that is 177 455.
And 463. 463.
Bit delayed.
Little bit.
A tiny bit delayed. So I'm getting a little bit more confirmation for you.
You're heading to, it's going to West Warren siding and Stones back to Brighton.
So
You're heading back to Brighton. Nearly 10:45, 7 to Brighton. We're starting here. It's cancelled between London Victoria here. Jojo, hang on, I see real time times. It's 377 455 and 463. But any passengers might travel to Anglia, we catch ports for the Southsea. Oh, it's Chinese again.
377 455.
377 and 463.
So change of service.
It's coming out of siding. It's coming out of siding. 377 455 front. 377463 on the rear. The 10:30, some are rising. He's looking ECS movement now. 377455. So it's starting here is cancelled to from London from London Victoria. And with SouthernRoad.com.